Okay, this lab, it will be help you to understand the short path right now, and later on we can apply the configuration for the link status like OSPF, EIGRP at the same lab and understand the base path. Again, we have a two concept, short path and base path. In this lab, I will try to give you the idea for RIP. V1, V2 doesn't matter here. We can say V2 as well, also can. Okay. I will configure this network. You can see all the router here is connected with the fast Ethernet, but this way or this router here, I will connect it through the serial interface. So when I go here, double click, I make sure I connect it with the, or I put it the serial PCMCI or serial card, WAC2T. Then I turn on the router, and as well this router as well should be included the serial, and this guy as well should be have serial. Okay, I will use the serial cable, and I make this guy is DCE, which is mean the owner for this side and the owner for this side. So when I click here, I select serial 000 with this serial 000. Good. So again DCE, again this one, it will be what serial 00 here. So why? Because I need this router, it is select the clock rate for two side or for two serial here and over there. Okay, and remember this line is fast Ethernet, mean 100 megabit per second. So means if this guy need to use the good way, of course this way is good. But because I use RIP understand only hop account, that's why this guy he will use this way. Okay, I will show you the configuration. First I will put in the IP address. I will use general network 192.168.x.x/24. What the meaning .x.x means anything. For example, this one it will be used, this first network it will be used 10.0/24. Second network 20.0. 20.0. What I mean 20.0, I mean 192.168.20.0. Okay, 20.0/24. Then this network it will be 30.0/24, and this network it will be as well 40.0/24, and this network for server or for the destination here it will be 50.0/24. okay, and this network it will be 60.0/24. finally this network it will be 70.0/24. First of all, before to start, I have to put in the IP manually for all the interfaces. So I will show you how can to add IP as well. Is a good for you as well to remember the configuration. Don't forget the host name config t, host this one R1, interface F0/0, IP address it will be 192.168.10.1, 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. I go to interface 0/1, then I will put it IP address 20.1, right? 20.1, no shutdown as well. And I go to interface serial 0/0/0, IP address it will be 70.1, 168.70.1, 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. Okay, so just again, once again you can see here 70.1 already here. Okay, of course in this router it will be 70.2 here, 10.1, 20.1. okay, so I go to the second router. Just let me check here which interface is supposed. 0.1 should be 20. Okay, so I go here, no. Okay, config t, host R2, interface F0/1, IP address 192.168.20.2, and no shutdown. interface 0/0, it will be what? 30.1. 30.1. No shutdown. Okay, go to router 3 or router here. This interface, it will be what? 0/0 should be 30.2. Okay, config T host R3 0/0 IP address, it will be 192.168.30.2 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. Interface 0/1, it will be 40.1. 40.1, also no shutdown. So I go to the router number 4, okay, or router number 4, yes. This interface 0/1 should be 40.2. So I go here, no na config T host R4, just once again what this interface 0/1. So I just say interface F0/1 IP address, it will be 40.1, 40.2, 40.2, and no shutdown. Then another interface, it will be 0/0, it will be 50.1, 50.1, then no shutdown. I go to serial, interface serial 0/0/0, IP address, it will be 60.1, 60.1.255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. Okay, so means that this router is done. Now the last router here, this interface serial 001 should be 60.2 and serial 000 should be 70.2. So I just say no. This router is number 5, DNA, so config T host R5 interface serial 0/0/1 IP address, it will be 60.2 168.60.2 255.0. okay, no shutdown. Then another interface, it will be 0, it will be 70.2 70.2, no shutdown. Don't forget the clock rate here, clock rate, and 1 million, right? Okay, then another interface 0/1, also 1 million. So now you can see here it is change of protocol is status up, mean now the protocol or the serial it is work, serial 0/0 with the 0/1. You can see all green color here. Now I start to do RIP. I start to do RIPv2. Okay, after when I configure RIPv2, I will test my configure or my computer if you need to go to the server, which way it will be used, that way or this way. Okay, we try together. I will go to first router. Before to do anything, show IP route, which one is connected, 10, 20 and 70. So I just say config T router RIP var2 net 192.168.10.0 20 and 70. Router 1 done. I go to router 2, config T router RIP var2 net 192.168.20.0 and 30. Router 2 done. I go to the router 3 here. Before to start, show IP route. So 30 and 40, right? So config T router IP var2 net 192.168.30.0, then 40.0. Then we go to the router number 4, show IP route. So 40, 50, 60. So config T router RIPv2 net 192.168.40.0, then followed by 50, then 60 WRE, then router number 5, which is the last one. Show IP route first. I have 70N, 60, 60, and 70. So config T router RIPv2 net 192.168.60.0, then 70.0. Okay, so now what the result? I go to the first router and I check show IP route. Show IP route. So I have how many network? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, and you can see here network number 40, I can reach to the network number 40 from the two-way. You can see here from two-way. Why I can find two-way? Because you can see the design. I am here. I can reach this network from here. Sorry, from here and from here, right? Okay. Now my question: how this guy go to the server? Which way? This way or this way? Let me check with you now. You can see here. I can reach 50.0 from where? From serial 000. Oh, means I can reach this, or this computer can reach the server from this way. So, but this way is very slow. They say, sorry, RIP understand only what hop count. They don't understand bandwidth. How can to make sure that this guy is used this way? Is a very simple here. You just put it IP address here. 192.168.10.10, for example. What the gateway? 10.1, right? So I go to another side as well. This one in the 50, network 50, 192.168.50.10 as well, we can say. And what the gateway? 50.1, correct. So I try to do ping first to make sure everything fine, everything work fine. Ping to the 192.168.50.10. Another side. Remember my IP what? My IP 192.168.10.10. So I receive now reply. Mean I can reach to this computer. Good. Mean my router is work. Now I need to check. Now I need to understand the hop account or a short path. So I just say trace ERT. Trace ERT is very important command. I just say trace ERT, then I put it my gateway or my destination, sorry, 168.50.10. Trace ERT, it is command help you to, or to show you, help you to show how many gateway between you and destination. So I just say trace ERT 192.168.50.10, then after the enter they say yes, we go to this way, 10.1 first gateway, 70.2 second gateway, 60.1 then 50.10, which is mean you can see this guy he used 70 then 60, then after that reach to the destination. Mean this way. Again, why this way? This is very slow. 1 meg with 1 meg, very slow. RIP, they say, sorry, I don't understand only the hop count. So I compare this one, 2 or 3 2 jumping, then reach to the destination. Here 1 jumping, so I use this way. Okay, this is just the highlight the job for RIP, or to understand the job for RIPv2. Maybe we can do the same lab, I mean next class, with the OSPF or EIGRP. We will see what? We will see this guy, he will use that way. Why? Because EIGRP and OSPF link states looking for best path, bandwidth. Okay, this is just overall for the RIP attitude or RIP concept. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.